Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in a daily newspaper of Tuesday, February the 6th, 2024. We have here three regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, and the Tectonic, aka JigSaw Sudoku. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. And those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve in the evening. And what's the news of today? Well, let me see what's the news of today. Well, the person of the year, Taylor Swift, has won a Grammy. Yeah, Taylor Swift and Celine Dion won the Grammy. Alright. 3 stars Sudoku number. This will be number. Let me zoom this. 7946. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one is has 27 26 printed digits. Yeah, 26 printed digits. 26. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus, in additional, this puzzle is actually a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. But it's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number I can pick. How about the 8? In this row, 8 in the middle row, so on the row above the only place level 8 should be there. 4, 4, 1, 1, 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above, so that row the only 2 place level 1 should be here. Or there we have 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there, 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column the only place level 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place level 6 should be there. 3, 3, 3, 3. Alright, then need a 2 here. 395. 3 missing numbers in this third row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3, 5, 9. 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9. And look, we have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. We have a 9 in the column next, no 9 there. Only place level 9 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and a 5. Alright. So we need an 8 here. Need 8 there, yeah. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row. 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left, the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in these two boxes here, and 8 in this row, no 8 in that box. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those two boxes in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Alright. How about 3, 3, okay. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place left of 4 is should be there. So 3 missing numbers here. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and 9 is missing. 1, 8, 9. 189, 189, 189, and look, with a 1 and a 9 in the middle column, so no 1 and a 9 in this box. 1 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 8. 9, 9. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and a 9. We have 1 and a 9 in the first row, so no 1 and 9 in these two boxes. 1 and 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. The other pair in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 1 box left in the second row for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. How about 3, 3. Alright. Then 9, 9. 3, 3. Need a 4 there. Need a 7 here. 7 there. Need a 1. 1 in this column. 1 in the middle column. So the column next. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1. Need a 6 there. We have a pair, the 6 and a 7 in this column, the 6 and the 7 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 6 and the 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. And we have 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. I marked those two boxes earlier with 8. We have an 8 now in the middle column, so no 8 there, 8 should be there. You have all the 8s. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 8. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 now in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left now in this column. Here we have a 6 and a 7. 1 box left, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Then 2 and 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. So 1 box left in the middle column for number 1, the 2 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, and no 2 there. 2 should be there. Then. Let me see. Let me see. How about a 5 in this column? Third column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Need a 5 here. Alright. And now. 4 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the third column, no 4 in these two boxes. Here 4 in this row, no 4 in those two boxes. So 1 box left with 4 in this big square. Should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left with 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 4. Right. And now 1, 9 and need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. 6, 7 and need a 2 here. Well, in this row we need a 2. Here can be 2, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. Here can be 2, we have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. So the only place left with 2 should be there. So the 6 and the 7 are left in this row. 6 and the 7, we have a 7 now in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 6. So 2 numbers left in the first column for numbers the 1 and the 9. 1 and the 9, we have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. Then. Do we have all the 2s? No. 2, 2. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4. The 4, the 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and a 9. 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here and the 5 goes there. 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 in this row. 2 in that row. So the row between now only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 2. How about the 5s? And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 5. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here and the 7 goes there. 1 digit left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. Here also 6 and the 7. We have a 6 now in the third column. No 6 there. 6 should be here and the 7 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 7. 6 in this column, third column, 6 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left with 6 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 box left in this third column for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7 and 9. We have 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here and the 9 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Well, we saw it again. 2 stars. No. 3 stars. No. 2 stars. No. Let me give this. Yeah, it should be at 0 stars because I'm faster than 14 minutes. And well, we were pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 regular puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.